Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video on XRP. All right, and we have some things to talk about. Some interesting things happened yesterday after I made the video. We got a nice pump yesterday morning, and that has continued over the course of last night. So wanted to talk about that yesterday, if you remember from the video, and if you don't, I'll just repeat it. All right, you don't have to have watched my video yesterday to be able to follow this one. But what I said yesterday is that we were very much compressing, right? So if you look at the price technically, the volatility was decreasing, and we were forming some sort of a triangle. All right, I'm not one to look at formations like that too much, but it does tell a story, right? It means that we are compressing a bit. Open interest is still very high. You get more and more people opening positions, trying to gamble on some sort of a breakout, and then it all breaks out. And whichever way you go, you have a lot of people that are ready to jump in, but also a lot of people who have to get out because they gambled on the other direction breaking, if you know what I mean. So what I said yesterday is that, all right, well, I would just wait for either 62.5 cents to break or 63 cents to break, I think I said, or 56 cents to break. That's what I said, and we broke that level, or at least we broke it today, all right? But yesterday we already broke 52.5, which or 62.5. Which might have been the level I actually said in a video. I'm not completely sure. But we got the breakout. Why did we get the breakout? Well, it's always hard to say. It's always hard to say. I mean, the market doesn't tell you. But yesterday morning we got some positive news, or maybe it was Monday, but we got positive news regarding the SEC with their case into Binance, that they were no longer alleging that these cryptos on Binance were securities. And that's obviously bullish, because that indicates some sort of a stance of the SEC against coins like what they did, like Atom, Sand, Solana, but also against XRP. All right, so that increases the expectation that, you know, maybe the SEC has changed its stance, and we actually do get some sort of a positive outcome from this settlement. So I think that's one of the key factors. And then apart from that, it's also just, again, people positioning themselves for the end of the case, and I've said this before, but XRP has a relatively high amount of inside traders, so this might also be inside traders already knowing some sort of outcome, positioning themselves before it. But altogether, if you technically look at this with the breakout, if you look at the momentum we're gaining, and still right now, like there's no indication yet, even though that could change. But there's no indication yet that the momentum is dropping down now. We actually got some major short liquidations yesterday and this morning, and the open interest is still increasing. So for now, regardless of the news, I expect this to continue. All right, so we have a major resistance level right here. I don't expect this level to break. All right, so I do think we can rally a bit higher into 67, 68, 60, 69. I don't think we'll break above that without the news. If we do get the news, we can break above that and rally up higher into 75, maybe even 80 cents. But for now, I would say, unless we get the news, this is still purely based on speculation. And based on speculation, you can do a lot, but you cannot, I think, get a breakout as strong as the one we need. All right, based on speculation, we already went up 48%. And now in total, we went up 53%. And from this bottom, we're up another 22%, and I think we can go up like 27, 25, but breaking above that, if we get the news, if the news is positive as we expect, then we can break above that, and after that sell off. But for now, short term, I would say we'll get up there, and we will consolidate there. But those are my thoughts. All right, that's what I think for now. That's a little bit of a news update for you. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.